How long does it take to train someone at pop-up matcha drink stands? Most new workers can learn the basic drink making and customer service routine in 1 to 3 shifts, but they usually need about 2 weeks of regular practice to work quickly and confidently during a rush. The first shift should cover food safety, hand washing, allergies, equipment, measuring, and the recipe for each drink. A new worker should learn that matcha is a finely ground green tea powder, so it must be mixed with a small amount of liquid before more liquid is added. This prevents dry clumps and creates a smoother drink. Show them how to measure matcha, sweetener, milk, and ice the same way every time, because small changes can make the flavor noticeably different. They should practice preparing hot and iced drinks, taking payments, labeling orders, and keeping the counter clean. A useful training method is to let them watch several orders, make several orders with help, and then complete a short practice rush on their own. One detail many people miss is that matcha can settle quickly, so drinks may need to be shaken or whisked properly instead of simply stirred. Before opening, have the worker prepare a small set of sample drinks and compare them with your standard for taste, appearance, temperature, and speed. A common mistake is using too much matcha, which can make the drink bitter, so use a measured scoop or scale. Another mistake is serving drinks that look different each time, so keep written recipes and use the same cup sizes. New workers may also focus only on speed and forget cleanliness or allergy questions, so require them to follow the same safety steps during busy periods. If the line becomes long, simplify the station layout and assign one person to payments while another prepares drinks. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.